In a moment, the contestants are going to come in the room, and I'm going to invite them one at a time to come up to the photo wall. They'll find their photo, and the very first clue they'll receive is the name of the artist whose song they'll be singing. When they flip their photo over, they'll see the picture of the person that they've been paired with. That will also tell them the name of the song that they will be doing. Together, those two contestants will have one day to learn that song and prepare to sing it before the judges. Now, we're doing things differently this year. It's not just going to be a duet, it's going to be a battle, a sing-off. So typically, one person will go forward and the other will not. Of course, the judges reserve the right to make a unique decision, but we'll see how that plays out. Let's get this thing on the road. I'm excited. Let's go.
It is time to rewrite the rules. Today, we are going to make the biggest cut ever on Nigerian Idols. Right now, we are 72 contestants. But by the end of the day, we'll have just 20 contestants left.
The news I got now is that there's going to be a big court, the biggest court in Nigerian Idol ever.
It's alarming, actually, because I never saw that coming.
My anxiety level actually rose. It rose, actually.
I put on my calculator and I was like, when 55 people go, I was confused. I was really confused. And I'm coming to realization now. And I'm just trying to button my shirt and tighten my belt. I think that's all. That's the time.
I thought it was a battle, but it's a war.